guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Alyssa and this is my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to put in your clip-in extensions. My hair is pretty thin, so I feel like my hair blends really easily with it. But I had a lot of people ask me how I do it, so I thought I would make a video and show you guys. And I'm gonna curl my hair too so you guys can see that. But you know, I gotta smoke. I'm getting ready to go to the gym right now, so I have to do my hair. There's something about doing your hair before you go to the gym that makes your workout so much better. I feel like if I look better, then I feel better, and I want to do better. If that makes sense. I have a Remington curling iron. I set it at 410. That's probably really high. I probably don't need that high, but I don't like sitting there waiting forever. And then I have my Bellamy extensions. I love Bellamy extensions. I know they're expensive, but I promise you they are so worth it. And like, you guys can look up like little discount codes. Like, it'll give you some money off. It's not gonna be a lot, but it's still some money off. And they last for so long. Like, I can go, like, the first pair of Bellamy extensions I had them for like 2-3 years, and like I finally got a new pair. Like, we dyed these ones and everything, so like they match me, kinda. They don't look like they match right now, but I promise they do. So yeah, Bellamy extensions, and let's just get straight into this video. Okay, so I use a brush, a pick, and a little clip. Look, it's a butterfly, isn't it cute? Section our hair off. Start at the lowest that you can go, and that's where you're gonna put your 2-clip. So the lowest that I can go, I really don't have much hair. I see a lot of girls too, for this bottom clip, they'll braid their hair. If you have a lot of hair, they'll braid it and then clip the extension into like the braid that's like pinned into their head. Or some girls even just put like a little ponytail back there for it to hold the second clip. We're gonna look crazy, so just be prepared. Let's clip that. This is all the hair that's gonna be underneath the second clip. I mean, the first clip. Fuck. Vic. I'm gonna take the 2-clip and I'm gonna clip it in. I just throw it over my head like this. I'm gonna turn around too so y'all can see how I do it. I literally just push, clip. Sometimes I have to keep like re-clipping it until I feel like it's tight and it's all the way straight. And then we just move on. But go right above that 2-clip and section off some more hair. 3-clip, flip it over, let's turn around. I start with the 3rd clip, like the middle clip first, and then clip the side clips. Make sure you pull it all the way to the corner. Then we're gonna section this piece. This is gonna be a 4-clip, so it should be like in the center of your head. Okay, let's take our 4-clip. We're gonna flip it over, start with the middle too. Flip it over, clip, clip. Now these two are gonna go on the sides of your head, like right here and right here. So let's go up. This is gonna be the last set of extensions. If you have more hair, you're probably gonna have to use more extensions. I don't have that much, I don't have that much hair left. Okay, we're gonna clip it over here. I start in the front and then I pull back. Let's clip it here, pull back, clip. You know, for me not being able to see that, it went in pretty good. My hair is pretty long. These are they are 22 or 24s. I think they're 22s. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh my God. I never look at the back of my head for real, so let's see. Not too bad, not too bad. So let's start curling. I start from the back, grab like, that's a pretty big piece, but I don't really care that much. And I curl it outwards, away from my face on both sides. So let's let's get to curling. I slowly take it off the curling iron. Oh, it's hot. Let's scrunch it up a little bit. Oh yeah, here's a curl. I'm gonna take a piece from this side too. I feel like it's faster to go from side to side instead of doing one whole side and then I have to do the other side. So I figure if I just start on both sides, it'll be done faster. I think it works, to be honest. Ah, that one's hot. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna come back when my hair is like halfway done and we're doing the front pieces. So I'll see y'all in a second. Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know. Okay, so I'm back. We did the back of our hair, so we just have these front pieces left. But I want to show you guys how I curl these ones. I kind of like when I get the curling iron on it, I like twist and like pull down. Twist and pull down. I don't know why. I don't know if it makes a difference, but that's what I do. And then, well, I'm gonna separate these into two different pieces. So those are my bangs. And then let's do this big piece. I start from the top row and drag down. Start from the top, drag down. And then sometimes like I'll grab some of these. I'm gonna grab this piece. I'm gonna curl that one. Here's the fun part. Let's spray with some hairspray. I don't even know if I got my hair. I feel like I just got me. Scrunch it up. Take my pick. I gotta grab a hold of your hair because you don't want to pull out the extensions. And just start brushing through all the curls. Be gentle with them when you brush through them. Okay, let's do this side. Let's see what the back looks like. Cute. I think it's cute. I think we did it. So yeah, that's how I get my hair to look like this versus what we first look like. This is what it looks like when we're all done. I hope you guys like this video. I told you guys I'm gonna get more consistent and I'm doing better. I'm already doing better. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to see more of me, make sure you guys follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm more active on there. I really am. I don't know why it's so hard for me to get active on here, but I'm really active on my other social media accounts, so go check those out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.